First, hit the on zero button and let the scale go through its startup procedure. To enter calibration mode, depress the on zero button just a little before depressing the pound kilogram button. Hold both for about 2 to 3 seconds. It will go into calibration mode showing Cal 0. Making sure that the chair is not moving or vibrating when the scale displays Cal 0, hit the on zero button and a countdown should start. When the first countdown is finished, the scale will display C25. Now you will place the 25-pound weight onto the seat. After the weight and chair have settled, depress the on zero button again and another countdown process will start. When the last countdown has finished, the scale should display 25 pounds. Remove the weight and the scale should show back to 0. The scale should now be calibrated.